Garmin loading screen issue. What's happening? Is your Garmin GPS stuck on the loading screen? This video will guide you through fixing this common problem. A loading screen freeze usually means your device can't fully boot up, often due to software glitches, a low battery, or corrupted data. Garmin has been actively addressing this issue with updates, but it still affects some users, especially those with older devices. Don't worry, we'll walk you through troubleshooting steps. To fix the Garmin loading screen problem, you need to understand the basics of how these devices start up. Garmin devices follow a specific boot process where they load firmware during startup. The loading screen appears during this initialization phase. If anything interrupts this process, like a corrupted file, low battery, or an incomplete software update, the device can get stuck in a loop. Software issues are far more common than hardware problems, accounting for about 85% of these cases. The boot sequence begins when you power on the device. It loads the operating system and firmware from internal memory, initializing all hardware components. Normally, you see a logo followed by a progress bar, then the home screen. Here's what it looks like when a Garmin device is loading firmware during startup. One common interruption is a corrupted file. If data in the device's memory gets damaged, perhaps from an interrupted sync or storage issue, it can't complete the boot process and gets stuck on the loading screen. Another cause is low battery power. If the device doesn't have enough charge to complete the boot sequence, it will freeze at the loading screen until you recharge it. An incomplete software update is another major culprit. If a firmware update gets interrupted, maybe by disconnecting the device or losing connection, it can leave the system in an unstable state, causing the loading screen loop. When any of these issues occur, the device displays the loading screen indefinitely. Here's an example of what a stuck Garmin watch might look like. Most loading screen issues, about 85%, are software related, like the problems we just discussed. Only 15% involve actual hardware failures, such as battery problems or damaged components. Understanding this helps prioritize your troubleshooting approach. The first thing to try is a soft reset. Simply hold down the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This forces the device to reboot and clears temporary glitches without deleting your data. It's the easiest solution and often resolves the issue. Make sure the device is disconnected from any accessories during the reset. If a soft reset doesn't fix the loading screen problem, the next step is a factory reset. This powerful option erases all your data and returns the device to its original factory settings. Before proceeding, back up any important data through Garmin Connect if the device is accessible. For the reset itself, if you can access the Settings menu, navigate there to find the Factory Reset option. If the device won't boot, use a forced reset method. This typically involves holding multiple buttons at once for 10 to 15 seconds, similar to resetting other electronic devices. Always refer to your Garmin device's manual for the exact button combinations and timing, as they can vary by model. Ensure your Garmin device is charged above 20% before attempting any resets. A low battery can cause boot-up problems and prevent successful recovery. Also, disconnect any accessories during the reset process. Sometimes connected devices or cables can interfere with the boot sequence and cause loading issues. Connectivity issues can also interfere with the boot process. Try resetting your device in an area with stable GPS or Wi-Fi signal if applicable, as poor connectivity may prevent proper initialization. If the basic steps don't work, consult Garmin's support website and user forums. They have detailed troubleshooting guides and community discussions that might offer solutions specific to your device model. If the problem persists, it might indicate a hardware issue, like a battery failure, which requires professional servicing. Remember, most issues are software related, but hardware problems need expert attention. To prevent future loading screen issues, regularly update your firmware, avoid interrupting syncs with Garmin Connect, and use official Garmin accessories. These practices minimize the risk of data corruption and software glitches. Garmin is also moving towards predictive maintenance, where devices can self-diagnose and fix issues automatically, improving long-term reliability. By following these tips, you can keep your Garmin GPS running smoothly for years to come.